Diyan pa lang, wala na. Right. Ay, hindi sumusunod.
Huwag mo siya ma-excite.
Yado ka na-excite. Oh.
Huwag mo igaganon, lulusot ka.
Huwag kang malikot pag nag-ano. Lumusot yan, Ice, ha? Hindi ba lulusot yan sa tali?
Iyang naman lang.
Payat eh.
Okay. Chasing nyo na ano, ha? No, you don't have to.
Wait, both of them are gonna go at the same time? I won't scream though. I won't say anything. Don't worry. At the end, I'll say I'm safe. If I am safe. What I say? I mean it. What I say?
Get ready there. Double check mo.
Well, you go too. You gotta go too.
No.
You pray. Ay, ano ha? You pray na so much.
Kuya, nag-iisa lang din yan ha.
Lang yan, ha? Sasakripisyo, nag-iisang...
Ginawa pa sa Paris yan. Parisan pala.
Sa Parisan, no? Tight ba yan? Tight.
Double check.
Check, ha?
Sa Parisan sa?
Hindi, joke.
Gotohan.
Sarap ng sabaw ha.
Oh, sit down. You need to sit down, Chiki. Sit down, ha?
Isaiah, look here. Oh, say,
Sir, di ba ito marunong mag-Tagalog?
say hi to your vlog.
Hello. Hello.
Hold.
Hold this.
Then lean back.
Lean back.
Okay.
Just drop.
Sit down. Sit. Lift your feet up like this.
Okay, bye.
Ready?
Yes, of course.
Love you so much.
Bye.
Nanay and tatay, love you so much.
See you in heaven.
Let's go.
Night. Enjoy.
Yes. Yeah, so good. I didn't even scream.
Nabidyo yata yung ano mo, ah.
Subscribe! My eyes are burning. You know why? All the air just went inside my eye. I barely even blinked. I'm alive!
Sino lang kayo sa Biska?
I'm alive, guys!